This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a Bosch Thermidor stovetop where the one burner just keeps clicking continually, and it's due to a faulty ignition switch.
20 is great.
And usually the way you replace the ignition switch is you remove these Venturi burners, and you're going to do that with a 20 millimeter wrench. And we previously had soaked these with liquid wrench to try to break the corrosion. So these were soaked overnight, a couple of nights, and we got the wrench on it using a lot of force, and I'm turning it to the right first to try to kind of break the corrosion, and then turning it left to loosen it, and it's just not moving. I can feel the Venturi and the bottom part actually moving, which you don't want because it can sever the gas tube that's feeding it. So if this happens and you can't do the conventional method, another idea is that you could try to just pry the ignition switch out from where it is. So I've removed the dial, and I removed the rubber waterproofing, and I just carefully pried the switch out using some needle nose pliers and then regular pliers. And now I'm putting the new switch in. I've already connected the two wires to the spade terminals, and now I'm just going to push that all the way down on the stem, and then I'll put in a little locking clip to hold it down. I'll put the waterproofing back in, and then the dial, and it's back working again. It clicks only when you start it, and that solved the problem. The previous switch had kind of turned and got out of alignment, so that's one way you can fix it without removing the Venturis. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.